Hi, if you want to create partition in your MacBook just like we have in Windows, then you can follow these steps. You just go to disk utility. Here you can see all the partitions which I had created. C, D, E, F drive different partitions. It has different spaces and it also shows how much it is used, how much capacity is left. So if you want to create a new partition, you can just click here on this partition button. So here we can see how much partition we have. Uh, so C, D, E, F drive, we have all the partitions we have created. This portion shows how much space has been used, and this plain portion shows how much space we have available. If I click on E drive, it also shows how much used, how much space left. So suppose if you want to create a new partition out of this F drive, you can just click on plus button and it will ask for add partition. So when we click on add partition, it will just unallocate the unused space and it is listed as untitled. So you can you can also click on apply and it will create a new partition. You can provide a name to that partition, and similarly you can click on suppose E drive is there and you want to remove that partition, you can click on minus. And suppose I want to remove this, I will click on minus and it will again merged. If you want to merge two partitions, if you want to merge unallocated space with a drive with a partition, then you can just click on again a minus by selecting this and then click on minus. These partition will be merged just as before. So you can, like that, you can create different partitions in your MacBook just like we have in Windows, or you can merge partition with unallocated space. So this is about creating partition in Mac. I will not click on apply because I don't want the changes to be done. So like that, you can create partition in your Mac and you can easily access the different partitions. You can keep your data in different partitions. You can name it accordingly and it will make you easy to segregate your files, your stuff. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.